This is going to be a product review of the A-Zone Solar Motion Sensor Outdoor Light that runs on solar power. This light has 800 lumens of brightness. It has 8 LEDs, a 5-watt solar lamp. Here's the solar panel over here. This thing is huge. Believe me, this weighs a lot. This is a heavy-duty solid lamp. It looks like a camera. It looks like a security camera, and it's really, anybody who sees this is going to think that they're going to be recorded. They're not going to know. But you've got your solar panel that can charge up during the day, and at nighttime you've got your power switch down over here. We can click on the power switch. You have a bracket that comes with a mounting template. It comes with screws if you're going to mount into wood, and it also comes with anchors. It has a cushion on the bottom to protect whatever you are mounting this on. It has the wrench that comes with it so you can adjust the angle of the light. We also have a control over here that we can turn to adjust how we are going to get the solar light, which is the sun. The lamp is made out of high-quality aluminum and ABS. It has a replaceable 3.7 volt, 2600 milliamp hour battery. The lamp has 2 modes. It has a photo cell so that it will go on at nighttime, it will work at nighttime, and it will turn off in the daytime. At nighttime, when there is weak light outside, if somebody gets within 10 to 26 feet of this light, it will go on to full brightness. As I said, with this wrench over here, you have full control of turning it this way, and you can also turn this around to get 360 degrees of coverage for your lighting. During the daytime, as long as you have sun outside, it should take about 5 to 6 hours to charge this up. With the low light mode, you'll have about 40 hours of brightness when the light is on. This is an optic grade lens over here. So this is a really good quality light. You can hear the ratchet positioning inside there. So I'm indoors now. I've got these mounted outside, but I'm indoors. I want to show you what this looks like. So I'm going to turn off all the lighting in the room. In the background, you can see a little bit of sun coming through the curtains, but let me cover the solar panel to simulate being outside in the dark at night. Look at that. And this thing, it's shocking how bright it is. And it's perfect to mount this outside by your eaves, against the wall of your house, over your garage, outside of your back door. And when there's movement, this is coming on now because of the solar panel is covered, but once the light goes off, when there's movement, the light will come on. It has a PIR sensor over there, which detects motion, and that is what will turn this light on. So this is wonderful to have for a security lamp. It's also really nice to have if you are having problems in your backyard with raccoons or other animals that come out at night. Set this against your garage, against the house, and when the animals walk by, this bright lamp, and believe me, this is bright, will come on, light up the area, and chase away the animals. I will be leaving a link to order this lamp in the description of the video. You can purchase this directly from A-Zone on Amazon. Click on the link. The price is incredible. You will not believe how inexpensive it is, and you can see that I am having a little hard time holding this up because this has a lot of weight to it. This is a really solid, sturdy, secure lamp by A-Zone.